Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming back to share the projects that I made with the Inloveart dies that I chose for this month. Last week I showed all the products, and today I am sharing the projects. So down below you will find all of the links to each and every one of these products, as well as a 25% off discount code so that you can go shopping. So starting out, I am using this cute drink bottle decor die, as well as the flower and hollow border dies. Now, I did not use these little stuffings for the bottle. Um, I just used just the outside, and I did make it into a shaker, which I had said I probably would do that. This is the only one that I'm using out of that flower hollow border dies, so I'm just using that. All right, and then as well as the sequins that I chose, I used a few out of there, and I want to say I used some out of this one here. And then I added a few more colors in with my own sequins as well. All right, so here goes that set there that I am using. And so I decided to put Celebrate down the side, and I added some little streamers there and that bow on top. I think the collection is a Doodlebug collection, but don't quote me on that. And then there goes that hollow border die there that I used there. And I thought it turned out cute. And there we go. Okay, next up, I am using, let me get these items out to show you these. Now this is called the Inloveart Classical Phonograph dies. So there we go. So we have a woman singing, a record player, and a phonograph. Now, the only thing that I used was the woman that's singing. All right, and I thought it turned out really good. I was really stumped in trying to use something for this, but overall, I thought the thought of it was really, really good. So I put "Happy Birthday to You" as if she's singing "Happy Birthday." As you can see, the music notes there, and then I have a record player embossing die that I found in my stash as well. So I layered that up, and I also did the inside of the card. I thought that was just brilliant. I love it. All right, and so next up, I am using this cute bow die. Now, it took me a couple days to think of something to make with this. Anyways, I think my mojo was gone on that last day. So I finally thought of something today. And so I wanted to make it very, very simple. And so I made these cards here. I see you can see a reflection there, but that's what I made. I put just a note down at the bottom and popped on a gem, but I thought those turned out so pretty. And they're 4x4 cards as well. And then the inside looks almost just like that. All right, and so that's what I made. I thought those turned out really nice. All right, the next step, and I know you all will probably think, duh, didn't you see that? Anyways, I am using this cute elephant hot air balloon die. Now, I thought it was called that just because of this little elephant down here. But no, it's actually the balloon that's shaped in an elephant head, and I did not know that. I was wondering why in the world were these little X's on the balloon. Couldn't figure it out. And then it finally dawned on me. It was an elephant. But anyways, here is what I created. Oh, I thought it turned out adorable. Look at the little cat up there with that little scope. He's checking it out. And I thought life is an adventure was the perfect sentiment. Added a couple birds. I did the clouds in the background with the oxide ink, and then I colored these up with Spectrum Noir markers. Yeah, and called it a day. Oh, I did add some diamond dots on there as well. But I thought that turned out adorable. And so there goes the inside. Totally finished. Now, this last card, again, this right here, which is called Waterdrop-shaped background dies. It came a little smaller than what I had anticipated, but once I finished the card, I was so glad it did. It just turned out so pretty. I love it. But anyways, here we go. So I searched my stash of die cuts that I already had put together, which I had these put together, and they're from the same set. I think it's a My Mind's Eye um, paper set. But anyways, colored that up with the oxide inks, and I popped a little bit of red paper behind it just to make it pop a little bit. Added some clouds on there, added my little diamond dots. I'm telling you, I use those things like nobody's business. I love those things. And then, yeah, I think that's about it. Oh, I did add wishing you a brighter day. I love this card. And then there goes the inside. So now, if you have the time, make sure you head on over to Inlovearts and pick up some of these amazing products. And yeah, don't forget to grab that 25% off code on your way over. All right, thanks so much, everyone. You all have a blessed and crafty day.